Hey guys, today we have some animal balloons.
Look.
We have so many.
Look, we have this.
We have tiger.
We
We
have
have a
the-
lion. We have hippos. We have seals.
We have
We have an
elephant.
elephant. We have a bear, a crocodile, and a panda. And a panda.
Look, it's so cool. Now we're gonna
Now we're gonna fill the balloon up with air.
and put it here up. I came back. Let's blow it.
I'm gonna blow some balloons.
I'm gonna blow mine
With the
first.
balloon blower.
Wait, we're gonna see it. Wait a
Big
minute.
hippo.
Drink it. I'm gonna.
Look,
Big hippo.
this is
with
a big hippo with a big head. Her head is bigger than her body. Look.
We're gonna start. Wait a little bit. Wait, I need something. Wait.
Where does she go?
I came back. Pop. This. Push it, push it, push it, and put it inside. No, 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 no. Put it out, bring it. I am professional. Look, now it's gonna get full. Look. Here go. Look at the top.
She's dancing.
No!
Still need more.
Little bit.
That's enough.
Ah! Hippo! Hippo! A little bit.
This is enough.
The
One
fruit,
pot.
look.
Enough.
It's done, look. A hippo. This first thing. Look. Wow. Let's see, it's gonna fly. Wow. What's happened? I'm gonna break it. Look at this. Guys! Hi guys! I have balloons. Wow. Give me this. Give me. Let's blow mine. Give me. Okay, wait a little bit. I'm doing it. Look. Hi guys. Give me guys. Wait. Take this. Give me this. Okay.
Give me.
No. It's mine.
Give me. I need this.
No, it's mine.
No, it's not yours.
Guys, look now, I'm gonna blow. Look at it. Wait. Look, now I'm gonna, look. Now it's small. A little bit, it's gonna turn big. Oh. Don't touch it. No. What I do? Look, it's an elephant. Enough or a little bit. Give me. Enough, take it. Look, elephant's cute. Peekaboo. I do this. No, we're gonna have her a little bit. No, I'm gonna put it inside. Me. Okay. No. Take it. You. Hold it. I'm gonna push. No. Me. Enough. We go. Now let's gonna blow more. Let's Hi guys. Come in.
Look, it's a white and gray dog.
Let's put it here. I'm gonna put it here until we do it. Peekaboo. Hello, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hello, peekaboo. Now let's do this. Hold on, let me do it. Okay, I blowed it. Look, enough. Enough. Wait. Still. Look. Guys, touch. Still. Hala, peekaboo.
That's enough.
A little bit. Hala. Done. Peekaboo. Hala, peekaboo. We did peekaboo. I'm gonna blow some peekaboo.
We got all kinds of the animals in the world, but in balloon form.
Let's blow the panda. Let's blow it.
The panda is the bear.
Look how I do it. Guys, look. Here's open a little bit. You will bring anything like this.
A hairpin.
Yes? And then you put it inside. You put it until they go inside. They go here enough. Let's push it.
Move it.
Enough.
No.
Give me. Now give me. Look, now let's bring this and put it inside. Peekaboo. Now, it's gonna spin strongly. Look.
This one doesn't want to spring. He's happy.
Dance. Guitar.
Balloon. That's enough. Enough.
Let's do this. Now let's do this. Let's do it quickly. Peekaboo. Now I'm gonna do this. Peekaboo. Now I'm gonna do this bear. Look for me now.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Wait. I'm gonna push him now. I'm gonna put this inside.
I'm gonna fix. Hold it strong.
Okay.
You're a kid.
I'm gonna have me last.
Hold this. Here. From here. Strong.
No. What's this? This is a game.
Yes. Hold this with two hands.
What's this?
Feel it. Is it enough?
No. You're running
Come on. My bear.
I'm gonna do the crocodile. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do crocodile. I'm gonna do this crocodile. I'm gonna do it. Look. Yes.
So
Yes.
fluffy.
I'm gonna do it. Yes. Nice. Right, Linda.
Where's
Right.
my panda?
Okay. Right.
I need my panda. Where's my
Put that in the floor.
Pika, pika, pika.
Look.
Pika, pika, pika. Allah, Allah, pika.
It's not the crocodile.
Panda, pika, boo.
It's not the crocodile. Now this. Gimme.
Seal, a seal. And then we got all the animals.
The one.
Animal balloon.
I'm going to get that. Peekaboo.
Beep, beep, beep. Animal, peekaboo. Panda, peekaboo. Linda, peekaboo.
Look, pop it. Put it all here.
No.
Wait a little bit. I'm gonna do this. Do it. Buddy. I don't need it.
He's so happy he jumped on Linda's head. Linda's a balloon.
Give me the fruit. The fruit
It's so small. The seal's so small.
We're done! All of it!
Put them on the table.
Move!
Hello, beep, beep, move.
They're done! No. They're down! Get down. Get down. No. Fine.
Please, Linda, please.
Please. I'm gonna put this. Okay. I love you.
I'm gonna put them.
There's one here. There's one here.
Move.
Don't eat the. Give me another. No. Look at
All of our balloons. Why we have so many?
so many.
So many.
Give me money. Give me money.
Here you go.
Many. No, look at this. Give me money. Look, hippo. Look, hippo. And look also elephant.
Come on, I'm gonna tell you the animal names.
Elephant.
This is a bear. This one is a bear. And this one is a seal.
Yeah.
This one's a cat.
This one is cat. This
This one's a panda.
This is an alligator. This is an alligator. Hippo.
And this is a lion.
Lion. This is
So
elephant.
many.
So I'm gonna take it out. Give me. Elephant.
We're gonna take 2 balloons for everyone.
We're gonna take
2 for
balloons.
me,
2 for me. And
2 for
Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz, and 2
This is
for
for
Linda.
Abdulaziz. This is mine. Abdulaziz. These are me.
And these 2 are for me.
And these 2 for me. These 2
And these 2 for Abdulaziz. Lion
This
and
one
alligator.
Bye. Bye guys.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Bye guys. Animals, peace out of here. Bye.
Elephants. Bye. I'm going. No.
Wow, she took all of the edibles. Give me some. Give me some.